Whether it's dinner or dessert, Boncook has the tools to make life in the kitchen easier and more fun. With just a little effort, you'll have delicious results. There's no greasing, oils, or sprays, and there's no sticking. That makes cleanup easy. Come see why I call it Bon Magic.
Oh my gosh, look how perfect that is. Oh, look at that. Ah, brilliant.
Peel the sides down.
Look at that.
Wow.
Okay, so then you can just keep peeling and just slide it onto your plate.
Wow.
Slid right out of there.
Wow.
Hi there, I'm Leslie, a happily married mom of 3 that likes to play in the kitchen and bless people with food. 8 years ago, I came across this mind-blowing muffin pan. I immediately wanted to replace all the bakeware in my kitchen, so I became a consultant. I didn't plan on doing this as a business, but the more I played with these magical molds, the more I knew everyone needed them. Now I'm on a mission to share this Bon Magic across the country. You're welcome to join me as a host, as a teammate, or as a fan to share with others how these magical products will make life in the kitchen easier and more fun every day. The name Bon in French means good, so our name says Good Cook. It's simple to spell, it's simple to say, and it works simply as well. No greasing, no sprays, no oils, no paper liners for your muffin cups, and there's no sticking, so cleanup is easy. And because they were created for professional kitchens, you can feel safe using them because they meet every food certification in the world. They're BPA free, they're PFOA free, they're kosher, they're inert, NSF, FDA approved. Once they came up with the silicone and woven glass combination, they started making other shapes and sizes. So we have our molds, which have one opening, like the sunflower mold, or our fluted Bon mold. Our trays have multiple openings, like our muffin trays. Another great piece we have is the roll pat. So this is made out of silicone and woven glass as well. It has extra layers of silicone, so it won't roll around on your counter as you're using it for bread dough, cookie dough, pie dough, pizza dough, even Play-Doh. Because nothing leaches in or leaches out, you can feel safe using these for crafts. So you can use them for dyeing Easter eggs. You can practice your ABCs with a Sharpie. Fingernail polish comes off here, hot glue comes off here, beads won't roll around. Some of the questions I get are, what can I make? What recipes do I need to use with this? You can use your favorite recipes. I tell people to use them, bake them at the same temperature, but check them a few minutes early just in case food is cooking faster. Now you don't need to have the Bon mat down if you're going to use a different piece. Just take whatever you would like to bake and place it on top of the perforated baking sheet. This is a great vehicle to get in and out of the oven, into the freezer. Another question I get is, do I need the medium or do I need a large baking sheet? So everything in the catalog fits on the medium except for the large Bon mat. So even the Texas muffin tray, people are surprised. This one is so big. This is like a Costco sized muffin. It fits on here. The Bon mat has a 2-year warranty. The Flexi pans have a lifetime manufactured warranty. So the rules are A, B, C, D. So A is keep away from direct heat. So don't place it on a hot burner. B is do not broil. They go into temperatures up to 480. C is do not cut. So don't cut inside here with a metal utensil. So you can simply flip it out onto your serving tray and cut that way, or use one of our Polymite spatulas and it'll be great. D is for dishwasher. So they can go in the dishwasher. We suggest you put them in the top rack in case they wiggle down, then they'll fall onto the bottom. Most people wash them by hand because nothing sticks, so cleanup is easy. The 3 ways to get these pieces into your kitchen are to host a cooking class. I invite people to attend as many classes as possible because I make different recipes. We can do breakfast, we can do lunch, we can do brunch, we can do dinner, we can do appetizers. There's so many things we can do. You could also become a entrepreneur. We have 5 different business kits, so you can figure out which one is best for you to join. I would love help sharing these Bon products across the country. The 3rd way is to purchase some pieces for yourself. Now our collections have savings built in, and our most popular collection is the Build Your Own collection. The first decision is to choose whether you would like the large or the medium-sized Bon mat tray, which mold you will like. So you can choose from the sunflower mold, the large round mold that we used tonight, or the fluted square mold. Then you get to choose the mini muffin or the deep flexi that we made the chicken in tonight, or the tartlet tray. Next, you get to choose a food item and a tool. So I suggest either the signature spatula, which everyone loves, or the octagonal bond mat to go on top of your round mold. And with this collection, you get a bonus roll pat for free. All of our collections have free shipping, and when you spend $100 or more, you can choose an item at 20% off inside our classes. Follow me on social media, Delicious Results on Instagram, or Delicious Results with Bond Magic on Facebook. There you will find monthly specials, our weekly flash sales. I have giveaways in my group on Facebook, so join in the fun. Post pictures of what you're making in your bond pieces. Get these pieces in your kitchen and you'll know why I call it Bond Magic.